What's up, guys? Philip at Trade Genius. Well, we've got some rulings out of China that are apparently lifting the Bitcoin ban, so it's going to be recognized as a legal asset there in China. So wanted to dig into the details on that, let you guys know about it and what that means for Bitcoin going forward. So let's dive into this video.
Trade Genius.
All right, so basically a few days ago there was a court ruling in favor of Bitcoin, and it took a little while, I think, for the language to get parsed out, but BTCNN website just came out with the article, China lifts Bitcoin ban, individuals and businesses can now own cryptocurrencies legally. So according to a report by CN Ledger, it's now a thing of the past. This has been legalized by the courts. Chinese court affirms or confirms Bitcoin is protected by law, and they had an arbitration ruling in a case. The verdict was that the law does not forbid owning and transferring Bitcoin, which should be protected by law because of its property nature and economic value. Now, back in May, actually, they had called for a lift on the Bitcoin banning, but it took a while to get its way through the court systems and actually be legal. Cryptocurrency researcher Catherine Wu, who went through the documents of the court, conveniently stated that cryptocurrency could be viewed as an asset because of its decentralized status. So now this opens things back up for Bitcoin in China. Now keep in mind, they've been trading over in China. I've had people go over there and tell me that they're on their phones and mobile devices trading away because there's ways to get around the firewall issues there. But I think this is going to help with the bullish case for Bitcoin. Seasonally, this is good timing, as fourth quarter, more often than not, has shown some pretty bullish tendencies on past price action. If we look at the price chart on Bitcoin, not a whole lot of not big gigantic bar rejoicing in the news, but I think over time, especially if the Chinese buyers start to come back in mass, obviously you're going to see probably another push up. This chart here, obviously you've seen our slingshot sells and buys firing here for some shorter term moves. This is an hourly chart, so very short term swing trades, which, by the way, if you're interested in those, you can head over to tradelikeagenius.com. If you get special number 2, which is our cryptocurrency focused one, I'll throw the slingshot signals in on those, so check that out. Special number 1 is our stock focused one, or you can get everything on a combined package, so just check those out when you got some time. But today we're going to do a webinar, Bob and I, at 3 p.m. Eastern, so that's going to be in about 2 hours from the time this video is published. But back to the chart, again, Bitcoin, like we talked about in today's video, kind of tethered to the market. As you can see, that's still the case. Hasn't broken away from the market correlation. These correlations come and go, but still riding that. But if you look also too on the daily, we're up against this really long-term trend line, so that's not going to be easily broken. That's going to probably see a fight. But I think for the case of more upside, definitely having China lift that ban is going to be bullish, and may take some time though. Some people might think that the reaction would be quicker, but we might see more of a trending bias upwards versus a just huge reversal that we've been used to in the past. So just bear that in mind, guys. But again, thought I'd share that with you guys. Courts ruled in favor of Bitcoin being a legal asset in China, and that's going to free up businesses to start using it as a medium of exchange, so, and people to speculate and accumulate. All right, guys, well, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching again. 3 p.m. Eastern, Thursday, November 8th. In a couple hours, we have the Bob and Phil show. We're going to do a webinar. We're going to talk about cryptos and uranium. These are going to be great hyperinflation hedges, as well as cyclical plays going forward. So look forward to seeing you guys there on that. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Please hit like and subscribe. If you're on mobile, ring that bell, and I'll see you on tomorrow's video. Take care. Bye.
Trade Genius.